Hello everyone, I am Professor Jyoti, a faculty of finance at JK Business School. So I hold an experience of more than 6 years wherein I have taught in multiple B schools and university. My area of expertise is finance, and also I'm pursuing my Ph.D. from Indian Institute of Foreign Trade. The faculties are having industry experience. Faculties are all doctorate or pursuing their Ph.D. from top-notch institution, which helps you to get into the corporate world very easily because we mold you from the day you enter into this institution. And while you leave the institution, you are a well-prepared product ready to land up into the corporate sector. Students here in the campus not only get the academic learning, they get to learn on or have a hands-on experience on SPSS kind of a software, EViews software, AMOS. So they have the subject like research methodology. We focus upon their communication skill. We focus upon teaching them through the GDPI session. We prepare them so that when they face the interview or when they sit into a GD round, it's never a new thing for them. They are all prepared. And if you want to excel in your career, if you want to make your future bright, please land up at JK Business School. You will be part of learning, innovation and excellence, and you will grow in your career a lot.